Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Square Money, and today I will show you app. It will pay you a good money, but as always, click on that subscribe button and the bell notification so don't miss any of my future videos, and give me a quick like and let me know what you thought of the video. Let's get into this. So the first money making app that I want to show you today is called Fill Agent. Now Fill Agent is a company that will send you a text or give you some instructions to go out and complete the task, and they will actually pay you money. For that, it is very simple and very effective, and you can make a few dollars just by shopping and doing on your errands any day of the week, just like you would as normal. So I will scroll down and show you very quickly in that FAQ exactly what is required from yourself. So if you have a look here, when will my job be reviewed and paid? All jobs must be reviewed by our quality control team before the funds will be available. Usually this doesn't take long, but sometimes when we have a very high volume of jobs in the system, it can take a few days, potentially depending on different system requirements. Some jobs may take longer than others to finish the review process. Rest assured, we have a dedicated team that works day and night 7 days a week to get jobs reviewed as quickly as possible. If your job is taking longer than usual to finish the review process, please know that this doesn't necessarily indicate that anything is wrong with the job. It is likely that this job simply has different review requirements, so it is taking a bit longer. Please note that our priority audits tend to take a bit longer than other audits to finish the review process in our system. This may take up to 5 days to finish our review process. You can check the status of your job submission by clicking earnings and the agent menu at the bottom of your app. For more information on checking your submission status, check out our article here. How do I check the status of my submission? And the big question is, how much do you get paid? So you'll be paid between $54 per hour and complete a job for Fill Agent. So again, very simple and very effective, and they are legitimate jobs where you go out and complete simple tasks and do your own reviews. There is people making decent money off this, and when I say decent, it is free money. When you go out and you are really doing something, but you are going to earn that extra dollar from these apps from doing very little. How do I cancel a job reservation? From time to time you may receive a job that looks interesting only to decide that you can't or just don't want to complete the job. Maybe there isn't enough time, or you have decided the job is too far away. Whatever the reason might be, we have added a simple means by which you can cancel a job reservation. Keep in mind, whenever you are unable to complete a job as requested, we highly recommend cancelling rather than submitting expecting in certain circumstances listed below. This helps make sure you don't get any denials on your account that can negatively impact your agent statistics. Canceling a job reservation. If you need to cancel the reservation, simply swipe left on the reserved job in your active work section of the app. When you swipe left on the job, a cancel button will appear. Click that button and the reservation will be cancelled in our system and removed from your app. What happens when a reservation is cancelled? When the job reservation is cancelled, the job is marked as available again, and other agents nearby will see the job opportunity in the research agent again. The job will become available for them to reserve and complete. What about my points? Statistics. Cancelling a reservation will not negatively affect your agent score or statistics. We want you to feel comfortable cancelling a job if you ever need to. So in the app's main menu, you need to click the cash out feature, and there you will see a secure method of direct deposit, and it goes directly into your account. And another big question is, can I use direct deposit with a PayPal account? PayPal does allow direct deposit to a limited number of customers, so an excerpt from their help center outlined below. Direct deposit is only available on PayPal accounts in the US for customers who have a PayPal Cash Plus account. In addition, customers who have enrolled for a PayPal Cash card are enrolled for a direct deposit. If you have enrolled for a direct deposit account or have the PayPal Cash card, you can find your direct deposit information by going to your profile. Keep in mind the account and routing number associated with direct deposit are for incoming payments only and cannot be used for outgoing payments. How can I set up direct deposit with my PayPal Cash card? There is a simple way to set up direct deposit with your PayPal Cash card. Click on the setting icon, click setup or view direct deposit link. You will be provided with a PayPal account number and routing number. Provide this information to fuel agent in the account setup. Once it is set up, direct deposit usually takes 2 pay cycles to begin but can vary across employers. Please check with your employer for specific timing. Keep in mind the account and routing number associated with direct deposit are for incoming payments only and cannot be used for outgoing purchases or payments. So it is a very simple way of making money through your phone. It is very simple way of finding apps that pay you. So all you need to do is go to Field Agent, and there is here how we work. Field Agent harnesses are crowded of over 2 million app users. We call them agents across the US to connect brands, sales and shoppers everywhere. Simply visit Plum, a retail solutions marketplace and exclusive home of our self-serve solutions. To explore our Field Agent, click and launch products, or if you have specific needs, you can request easy however you need it. Field Agent has a solution for you. So all you need to do is go to Google Play Store or App Store and complete your agent profile, and then pretty much find jobs. So again, I will just show you that's Field Agent, and I hope this video helped you, and make sure to hit a like button, and also don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the notification bell so you won't miss out any videos about to make extra money online.